You're watching News 54. The Deputy President William Ruto has today left Congregants of a church in Kajiado County laughing following a statement that he has given concerning an earthquake announcement that ANC party leader Musalia Mudavadi promised to unleash. While delivering his speech, DP Ruto has stated that his main reason for attending the service early was because of what Mudavadi is set to speak this Sunday, hence the need to be careful to see what will actually happen. He went on to add that he looks forward to seeing an announcement from Mudavadi that will be focused on eradicating politics of deceit so that this country can put aside personal interests of politicians.
Leo nilisema nitakuja hapa mapema kwa sababu rafiki yetu mmoja alituahidi ya kwamba leo kutakuwa na earthquake. Na kwa sababu ni mwanasiasa kama sisi, so lazima tuwe waangalifu kwa sababu tumeahidiwa earthquake. Na mimi tunaomba Mungu ya kwamba hiyo earthquake iwe ni ile ambaye itaondoa siasa ya uongo na siasa ya ukora na siasa ya kudanganyana na siasa ya utapeli, ndio tuwe na taifa ambayo Kenya iko mbele ya mahitaji na matakwa ya kibinafsi ya wanasiasa, so that we can put our nation before the interests of any person or group of people or category of people, so that Kenya can come first. So as we wait for the earthquake, I'm sure it's our prayer that it will be the one that is going to eliminate the politics of deceit and put Kenya before the selfish interest of anybody or any group of people.